Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Smart Slider 3. First, install the plugin from your content management system's marketplace. Once installed, navigate to the Smart Slider 3 dashboard. Here, you can create a brand new slider project. You have the option to select from many pre-designed templates or begin with a completely blank canvas. This initial step sets the foundation for your dynamic web content. Next, let's add content to your slider. Smart Slider 3 allows you to incorporate diverse layers such as images, text blocks, and interactive buttons. Simply drag and drop these elements directly onto your slide canvas for precise positioning. You can easily upload your own media or select from existing assets in your media library. This flexibility helps you build visually rich and engaging slides. Now, let's dive into customizing your slider's appearance. You can fine-tune individual slide settings, apply captivating animations, and choose smooth transitions between slides. Modify the styles of your layers, adjusting fonts, colors, and sizes to match your brand. Crucially, Smart Slider 3 offers robust responsiveness controls, ensuring your slider looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones alike. Finally, it's time to publish your impressive Smart Slider 3 creation. After you have finished designing, make sure to save your project within the plugin's interface. To display it on your website, simply copy the provided shortcode or use the dedicated module in your page builder. Paste it onto any page or post, and then preview your site to ensure everything appears and functions exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.